Hello, my name is Jeffy, and this is my best friend, Android the Chihuahua. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make extra sparkly Christmas ornaments with very little mess when you're done making them. There's kind of a mess when you're making it, but once they're on the tree, there's no way for the glitter to escape. Alright, so to start off our project, you're going to need a little ornament, and these ornaments, I got them at Michael's. You can get them pretty much any craft store this time of year. And to begin this project, we're just going to pull off that little top and set it to the side. So I have some holiday glitter here. I got both of these at Hobby Lobby. I think that the best glitter to use is finer glitters. They just stick a lot easier and they spread around a lot easier, but this one came with some really cool funky shaped glitter, and those are actually my favorite once they're in the ornament. But for now, I think we are going to try out this red color. Alright, so I'm going to dump all of my red out onto a paper just to make it easier for me to get in our spout. Alright, that might be a little bit much, but that's okay. Now, I've seen this done a few different ways, and the trick to getting all of our glitter to stick and have a nice see-through outside is to use this polyurethane. Alright, so the best way to get that stuff out is with one of these little squeezies. You can get them at pretty much any craft store, and they're awesome. I usually use about 2 pulls of this per ornament, and it's awesome because you can just go right inside the ornament and drop your stuff. Alright, so now I want to make sure that the inside of our ornament gets completely coated, and I'm going to do that by just spinning it around. I want to make sure that our ornament gets completely coated, and I'm just going to do that by spinning it. Alright, and then you can just keep spinning until you get that whole last edge. And once you think you've completely covered everything, just go ahead and turn it until it drains. And you're going to want to get out as much excess as you can because you don't want any pooling. Alright, I turned my little paper into a funnel, and now I'm just going to drop all of our color in. You can use anything to cover that hole. I'm just going to use my thumb, and we're going to go ahead and swirl everything around until all of our sides are coated. Give it a good shake. And then I'm going to take our remains and just dump them into that cup, and then we can use those for another project. Alright, our ornament is looking perfect. Now I'm just going to leave this to dry, and then we'll come back and finish it off. Once you feel like your ornament has dried enough, you'll be returning that little piece to the top. So I made this on my Cricut machine. If you don't have one, you can always pick up letters at any craft store. Even a lot of dollar stores will have some lettering you can use. I'm just going to be adding those words to our ornament with some transfer tape. So that is his finished ornament. I think he did a really good job on it. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us for this video. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more unique videos just like this.